Additive is still at a very primitive and a nascent stage in terms of adaptation in India. I see a lot of opportunity here, but it's all about converting those customers. There's no ready market right now in India for additive. There's still very small bits of people who are still learning and getting acquainted with the technology, but I see a big opportunity because moving from a very conventionally driven market, people have started learning and increasingly showing interest in adapting to additive. But this is growing at a good rate, though it follows a cyclical pattern based on the other larger industries. We see in different pockets people very interestingly adapting this, so we are quite excited about this, and we feel it's only the beginning of a much more promising journey going ahead in the future years. Well, it's our first time experience at a fully dedicated additive show. I think it's wonderful here because we have the entire country in a single platform, and we have many of the international players here exhibiting. So it's good to see all these people together. Personally, I believe it's a wonderful opportunity for a potential customer to come, or anyone who would want to learn about the technology or anything to do with additive, to do it here, because there's no other platform available here which opens doors to so many of different technologies and exhibitors. So I feel it's a wonderful platform, and for us it's been a good experience because we are also getting to see different set of customers. It was a good, wonderful first day, and we are hoping for a better day tomorrow also going ahead. Thank you so much.